So Nvidia just pushed a new update, guys. This is Shield Experience 7.2. So if you guys haven't booted up your Shield in a while, you will see this pop up, or you will see that notification in the top right for this update. This video, I just wanted to quickly go over what the updates are. I'm going to go ahead and push the update, then we're going to check out some of the new features. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so first things first, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Also, hit that notification, hit that thumbs up at the bottom right of this screen. As always, if you're looking for a VPN, check the description of the 2 services that I use and recommend. So let's go ahead and jump into the overview. So Shield Experience 7.2, what's new? So more ways to control your Shield with Google Home. So you can say certain things like watch Ozark on Shield, pause on Shield, open Hulu, turn off Shield. We know from the previous update we did have some functionality with the Amazon Echo. I was not impressed, but look like it has some more updates as well. So you can turn on the Shield. We were able to do that before. We had volume control, new upgrade for apps. So we have upgraded apps, Prime videos, YouTube, NFL Sunday. We have Fubo TV, so watch sports in 4K. Pretty sure that's not free, but we'll go ahead and check it out anyway. We have the Google Assistant add-ons, podcast, and routine. So play podcast saying play the latest TED Talks podcast, for instance. So that functionality. We have Voodoo, so add more channels to your home screen. Discover newly released movies in stunning 4K. All right, we have DC Universe Ultimate Membership. Of course, that's paid. We have Tubi, so you can watch thousands of hit movies and TV shows for free. Choose what you want to watch, when you want to watch it, with fewer ads. So that's another one I have to check out. DAZN is the new way to watch fighting style sports. Get over 80 fight nights a year, streamed live on demand. So that's another one we're going to check out. That doesn't look like it's a free service, so we'll check it out anyway. We have our Pokemon TV. We have VRV. VRV is a fan-first streaming service that connects the dots between sci-fi, tech, anime, that can bring you shows and movies you want to actually watch. All right, so we have some new games on GeForce Now. New games on the Shield. And we have other enhancements. So security updates. We have fixes with the Bluetooth remote. Shields 2015 and Pro adds notification to migrate app data from SD card to internal storage. All right, so we can add the ability to control TV/AVR volume over HDMI CEC from Amazon Echo. All right, so from this, I guess you can turn TVs on, you can turn on your stereo system and stuff like that. You can add and disconnect Bluetooth audio devices. Improves responsiveness on Shield TV mobile app when connected to Wi-Fi. Latest accessory updates. So if you guys have the controller, there's an update for the 2017 as well as the 2015, and same thing for the remote. All right, so that's all that it covers. Couple things we want to test out. Of course, want to test out some of the functionality, especially with Amazon and Google. Also want to test out a couple of the streaming applications that I saw. I'm not sure if they're free or not. Fubo TV was one. We also have Tubi and the DAZN. Want to check them out. So I've already done the update. Let's go ahead and jump over to the Shield. So here we are on the Shield, and for you guys that don't know where to find the updates, pretty straightforward. If you don't see a notification, click to the right, and where it says notification right there, if you do have updates, it will be in that area. I'm going to back out. So first thing I want to do is go to my settings. I want to see what's changed. We do have 2 quick settings right here right now, sleep and restart, but you can go ahead and add more to that. So we're going to go down to our system, and where it says customize quick settings, you can see we do have sleep now, restart on, but you do have the option to turn on the power off option. All right, so accessories, we can turn that on. Keyboard, we're going to go ahead and turn that on. And let's back out. We're going to see what it looks like. All right, so pretty cool. Set the keyboard, current keyboard, manage keyboards, physical keyboard. Go back in the system. So we do have the LED brightness there, and basically just dims the green light on the top of your Shield. You can go ahead and turn it all the way off as well. Let's go to display and sound. Power control. I believe this was another one of the updates. So turn TV on and turn TV off. Keep Shield awake on TV input switch. So ignore CEC active control command. You can set up infrared for the TV. You can also set up IR receiver / soundbar. Let's click on it and see what it says. So it gives you an option to search your TVs. Same thing with your receiver / soundbar. Advanced settings, we have an HDMI surround sound, stereo upmix. So upmix stereo is to 5.1 with fixed volume. You can actually pass audio control to the external device. So pretty cool. Let's back on out. Let's go to system. Nvidia shared. So for you guys that want to go ahead and record on your Nvidia Shield, this is where you turn it on. So you click on it. Right now it's on. And when you go home, hit the circle, hold it, and you will see the recording options right here. So you can do instant replay, you can record. If you do have a mic hooked up, you can go ahead and turn that on. All right, so a lot of cool features. You can also do a live broadcast. So that was most of the changes or updates that they made. I did have one update for my remote, so let's go ahead and go to Shield accessories and see what that is. So do have an option there to double tap volume slider to pause video, and we're going to go ahead and try that out. Let's go to Plex, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and blur this out, but we're gonna play this and turn it all the way down, blur it out. All right, so double tap the slider. All right, so works pretty well, guys. So saves you a couple seconds versus hitting the button in the middle and then finding the pause button from there. All right, so of course we want to go ahead and try out Alexa. So let's go ahead and Alexa, open YouTube on Shield.
Getting YouTube from Nvidia Shield TV.
All right, so let's see if we can pause it. Alexa, pause. Alexa, play. Alexa, turn volume to 100%. Alexa, go home. Alexa, play Punisher 2 on Netflix.
I can't do that on Netflix.
Alexa, play Punisher on Netflix.
I can't do that on Netflix.
Alexa, play Luke Cage on Netflix.
I can't do that on Netflix.
Alexa, open Netflix.
Getting Netflix from Nvidia Shield TV.
Alexa, play. Alexa, pause. Alexa, skip ahead. Alexa, skip ahead. Alexa, play. Alexa, skip ahead. Alexa, go home. And of course you can do the same thing with the voice function on your remote. So let's go ahead and try it out. Play Luke Cage on Netflix.
All right, opening Netflix.
Skip ahead.
Sorry, I can't do that on Netflix.
Go home. Alright, so some of the stuff worked. Like I said, the voice function is not really there yet, so it's going to take some updates just to get it where you need it, but it does power the device on and off as well. Alexa, turn off Shield. So power on and off works well. Let's go ahead and check out some of the apps that we talked about. So the first one was Fubo TV, next one was Tubi, and the third one was Dazen. Not sure if those were installed automatically, but let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go to apps, and we're looking for Fubo, which isn't there. Neither is Dazen or D-A-Z-N, if that's how you pronounce it, and Tubi. So let's go up where it says get more apps. Let's go ahead and check them out, guys. First one is Fubo TV or Fubo. Let's try Fubo first. Alright, so look like it's asking me to sign in. 70+ live channel. And look like, let me go over to my trusted internet over here. So it looks like Fubo TV is not free. It's $44.99 a month. Fubo Extra is $49 and Fubo Latino is $17. So we're gonna stop testing on this one immediately. Let's try another one. Next one was Tubi. So that one says free movies and TV on the actual page. So all right, so far so good. We have search. There's an option to sign in, but it doesn't look like you need to. So we do have Braveheart. Okay, so that one's actually working. Let's go back, we'll try something else. We have Pulp Fiction there, The Animal. Alright, so far it looked like Tubi is a keeper. Probably not gonna find the newest stuff, but it is a free service, it's legit. And look like they have some decent movies on here. So Tubi is a keeper, guys. Next one was Dazen, and that was the one for sports. So let me go ahead and do a quick Google while I search. Let me do a quick Google. And there it is. Start your free month. I didn't have to Google this one. Start your free month. Do get a free month, it looks like, but $9.99 a month after that. You get Bellator MMA. You get the Matchroom Boxing, Golden Boy, World Boxing Super Series, in another channel. So this one is another one that's probably not gonna be an application I keep. So it looked like out of the 3 applications, Tubi was a decent one. It is free, it is legit. It looked like they have some decent movies on here. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Just a quick overview of the new Shield experience. This is 7.2. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.